Today we look at question 1 of the 2022 paper. Joe owns a holiday park with 7 cabins, and the diagram shows a network of roads in the holiday park. His office is labeled as a vertex on the network, and the other vertices represent the cabins. So the first question says, in the morning he leaves his office. Okay, so he leaves here and visits each cabin once. So before returning to the office, very important, he leaves office, returns to the office, visiting every location once. Like, for example, you visit every house once and then you return to where you started. So house is, the H there is connected to the Hamiltonian, and because you come back to the same place that you started, it's called the Hamiltonian cycle. Write down a route that Joe could follow. So this one is a pretty easy one from what I can see, and OA, B, C, D, there is no point inside, so you can just go along the surface and get back to the office. So you got to start with O, end with O, and you should see that none of the alphabets are repeated because you visit every location and every cabin only once. The next question says, later in the day he leaves his office and travels along each road once to check. So he leaves his office and he travels along each road. Which vertex will he finish on? So when you have to travel along a road just once, that is along edges only once, you have to think of the Eulerian, E for edges. And because he doesn't come back to the office, it's an Eulerian trail. And if you think of an Eulerian trail, there have to be exactly 2 odd degrees, and you have to start at one of the odd degrees and end at the other odd degree. So which one will he finish on? So looking at all the degrees at the different vertices, we can clearly see that there are exactly 2 odd. So if he starts at O, he has to finish at E. The next question is, what is the mathematical term for this route? As we've discussed, it's the Eulerian trail. Very important to get the spelling correct, okay? So you can't just write a trail or just write Eulerian. You have to write the correct spelling, and both the words are required.